As temperatures begin to drop, people are likely turning their furnaces on to try and stay cozy. But with cost being a big problem nowadays, when you head to the store, it's important to make sure that your furnace is actually being well taken care of, so that way it doesn't cost you more in the long run. Earlier, I spoke to an expert and he was telling me that because these systems are now being used, there could be the risk for fire or even other potential hazards such as carbon monoxide. And that's a silent killer. So you want to make sure that you have your systems in place, making sure that you've got your smoke detectors and your carbon monoxide detectors working. And you want to make sure you also have one on each floor, especially outside of those bedrooms. With the cooler months here, obviously technicians are going to start to become busier, especially when it comes to no heat in residents' homes, but it's important to make sure you get on their calendar so they can at least come out and do a system check for you, just to make sure your system is running in tip-top shape.